Hey guys, Nicole Andrews here. Welcome back to Eternity Warrior Fit. So today, I don't know when you're watching this. Maybe it's July, maybe it's August, maybe it's November, but it's Christmas Eve today, and everybody's going fast and furious out there. It's like, I see accidents, everybody's rushing to get gifts, so we are gonna match that energy today and do a fast and furious 6-minute abs. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with our 5-second break, but we're gonna start right now in a forearm plank. So just follow along so your elbows are under your shoulders. Let's get this Tabata timer going. And we're gonna start with hip drops. So 30 seconds of work, 12, because 12 days of Christmas, 12 hours till Christmas actually. Keep tucking that pelvis under. So I'm dropping and I'm tucking. I'm dropping and I'm tucking. You don't drop all the way. They're ghost drops. You just pretend like you're dropping, come right back into plank. Good job. So the next one is the dolphin. So now pick it up a little bit here. And it's a dolphin push-up. So you're on the balls of your toes and you move forward and backward. And keep those abs tight. And the quads can be engaged slightly, but really engage your abdominal muscles because that's what the focus is on right now. And look forward. Don't strain your neck. 3, 2, 1. Good. Come into plank. You're still in plank here. We're just gonna drop our hips from side to side. Keep it going. I know it's burning, but what do you do for Christmas? And I want you to leave me a comment and let me know. Do you shop ahead? Are you one of those shoppers that shop ahead? Or are you like crazy until the very last second? I would know. I want to know. 2 seconds. Okay, so from the hip dips, we're gonna alternate the frog crunches. So elbows under your shoulders, you're coming out with the flex foot to the side. Get those obliques, get the quad up to your tricep, push it back to plank. Engage the core, switch sides. And keep breathing no matter what you do. If you need to, take a break, but I wouldn't suggest it because again, fast and furious, guys. Let's match that energy out there and put the kibosh on it in a healthy way, right? Awesome. So lie on your back. Here we got single leg crunches. So basically you're holding in your straight leg, and level 2 and 3, you can pick it up a little bit and really engage your upper and lower abs. Just pull it in a little bit and keep breathing. Keep the chin away from the chest. 4 seconds. Next one is you're just going to float the opposite leg straight. Pull the opposite knee in. Clasp your hands right under the kneecap. You can lift your head, or if you really want to relax your head, you can. I wouldn't suggest it because I want you to get sexy abs in 30 days. So do what you can to push yourself. You're a warrior, and we keep going. So don't stop. You're stronger than you think you are. You know that? Woo! Here we go. Next one, Suitcase Crunch. So take a deep inhale and exhale, crunch it in. Forehead comes all the way up to the knees. And now extend it out and go. Inhale, exhale as you crunch it in. Good job, guys. Keep it going. Let's get that energy up. You're strong. You got this. Good job. So lift your lower abs. Maybe put your hands underneath your hips for extra support. And we basically have straight leg, lower ab lifts with a little lift at the top. So lower your legs about a 1/4 inch off the ground, flex your feet, and at the top, you're giving a little lift. Level 2 and 3, if you really want your upper abs engaged, lift that head. Good job. Next one. We got scissors, so 45 degrees, and you want to point your toes this time. Again, if you want those upper abs engaged as well, you can lift your head. Otherwise, lower your head and suck that core in tight as you scissor, cross, and alternate. Faster, the better, because then you get that inner thigh core workout as well. Suck it in. Good job. Last one, guys. We have diamonds. So open your legs out wide and start to just lift up and up. And now elongate your arms. Pistol grip. Make sure that lower back is down. If you need to, you can also take your feet out further. Good. Now forward with the fingers. So it's like you're pointing out at someone. Keep it crunching. And you're done. Whew. Just kidding. We are almost done. Go straight into bicycles. We are almost done. These 6-minute abs are fast and they're furious. And the burn keeps going. Gotta get the burnout. Especially on Christmas Eve. This is a great one. If you have pent-up anxiety, you get it out. Awesome. Ooh. Last one. We're gonna stretch it out. And now the lower abs come in, and you're gonna do little twists here. So twist, up, in, and twist to the other side. Similar to the one we did yesterday. But this one, we have our legs together. So keep it going. Keep those legs squeezed like glue together. And just flip it as the knees come in. That, my friends, is it. I even got confused for a second there. I'm like, is this long or is this just me? But let me know what you guys think in the comments. We love your comments. We love the fact that you're coming in for this amazing workout. There's going to be so much more on this channel. We have a lot of great stuff coming, so subscribe, tap the bell so you get day 19, 20. Oh my gosh, we're almost done. Good job, you guys. See you tomorrow.